In recent years, countries like the USA, Russia, and India have been competing to reach the Moon's South Pole. In this video, we will explore the previous history of these countries' visits to the Moon, why the Moon's South Pole is important, and what their next plans are regarding this. Previous history of USA, Russia, and India's visit to Moon. Back in 1969, something truly incredible happened. The USA managed to pull off an extraordinary feat by sending humans to the Moon. They did this during the Apollo 11 mission, and it was a massive achievement. Not stopping there, the USA went on to send 6 more missions to the Moon with astronauts on board, all the way up to 1972. Now, let's take a trip back to 1959. That's when Russia took the lead in a different way. They were the very first country to send an unmanned spacecraft to the Moon. This was a pretty big deal and marked a significant milestone in space exploration. In fact, Russia continued to send various unmanned missions to the Moon between 1959 and 1976. Fast forward to 2008, and it was India's turn to make their mark on the lunar stage. They launched their very first mission to the Moon called Chandrayaan-1. This was a significant moment for India's space program. And guess what? During its journey, Chandrayaan-1 made an amazing discovery. It found water on the Moon's surface. This was groundbreaking because it opened up new possibilities for future space exploration. So, as you can see, the Moon has been quite a busy place over the years, with different countries making their own unique contributions to our understanding of space. Why Moon's South Pole is important. The Moon's South Pole holds significant importance for several reasons. Water ice and permanent shadow. Unlocking lunar mysteries at the South Pole. The Moon, that age-old celestial companion to Earth, has long beckoned humanity with its mysteries. Amid the barren and stark landscapes of its surface, 2 extraordinary facets stand out as beacons of discovery: the presence of water ice and the enigmatic region of permanent shadow at the South Pole. Water, the elixir of life, has been a driving force behind our exploration of distant worlds. The Moon's South Pole, hidden within the expanse of permanent shadow, has unveiled a secret repository of water ice that has silently endured for eons. Evidently, the Moon's extreme conditions have not hindered the preservation of this invaluable resource. Scientists postulate that these ice deposits, untouched by the ravages of time, harbor the secrets of our solar system's origins, awaiting their unveiling to expand our understanding of the universe. The significance of the Moon's South Pole becomes more pronounced when we consider the peculiar conditions that characterize it. The perpetual absence of sunlight casts a veil of frigid darkness over the region, rendering it substantially colder than other parts of the Moon. This chilling environment, however, holds the key to unlocking unparalleled insights into the solar system's early history. In this land of perpetual shadow, a profound dance unfolds between the past and the present. The craters that nestle within the South Pole's gloom are like cosmic time capsules, encapsulating the ancient materials that have withstood the test of time. Water ice, being one of these primordial relics, is believed to have been preserved in these very craters, harkening back to an era when the solar system was in its infancy. Delving into these icy repositories, scientists embark on a journey to unravel the stories etched into each ice crystal. These crystalline structures hold clues about the Moon's tumultuous past, about collisions, impacts, and cosmic upheavals that have shaped not only the lunar surface but the very essence of our solar neighborhood. The unique combination of water ice and the Moon's South Pole presents an exceptional opportunity for humankind's ongoing exploration. The insights gained from studying these frozen reservoirs extend far beyond mere scientific curiosity. They hold the potential to revolutionize our approach to space travel, offering a wellspring of resources that could sustain future missions, from providing hydration for astronauts to generating fuel for spacecraft propulsion. Moreover, the South Pole's forbidding environment becomes a canvas for innovation and adaptability. The challenges posed by the perpetual darkness and extreme cold stimulate the creation of cutting-edge technologies that can withstand and harness these conditions. These advancements have ramifications not only for lunar exploration but also for our understanding of survival and thriving in extreme environments, paving the way for future ventures to even more distant realms. Geopolitics of space mission. Space exploration has become a significant driver of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, leading to groundbreaking capabilities from space-to-Earth activities to space-to-space activities. More players investing in space means there is potential for meaningful diplomacy on a global stage, which could lead to space becoming an area where countries and regions can come together to advance common goals despite ongoing economic, geopolitical, or social conflicts on Earth. The private space sector is emerging in other countries, which could mean that collaboration will be key even if there are existing tensions or vulnerabilities within governments or geopolitical relationships. Space exploration has served very broad interests, including increasing knowledge, enhancing national security and military strength, and providing significant benefits to the general public. In areas where the private sector could profit from activities in space, commercial space activity has also increased. As the competition and potential weaponization of space increase, there is a growing need for international cooperation and space diplomacy. Multilateral agreements and diplomatic efforts are crucial to mitigate emerging space security contingencies and ensure the peaceful use of space. What's their next plan? In August 2023, Russia launched its first lunar mission in 47 years. The spacecraft, called Luna 25, is Russia's first attempt to land on the Moon's south pole. The mission is uncrewed and is expected to reach the Moon's surface in the coming weeks. India, on the other hand, is planning to launch its second lunar mission in 2024. The mission, called Chandrayaan-3, aims to make a soft landing on the Moon's south pole. India's previous lunar mission, Chandrayaan-2, attempted a soft landing in 2019 but encountered technical difficulties. With Chandrayaan-3, India hopes to achieve a successful landing and become the first country to do so at the Moon's south pole. While Russia and India are in a race to reach the Moon's south pole, the United States is also planning to send astronauts back to the Moon through its Artemis program. The Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon and prepare for future missions to Mars. The goal is to land astronauts on the Moon by 2024. Global competition is heating up to explore the Moon's south pole, driven by its potential water ice and insights into solar system history. Russia, India, and the USA are in a race to land there, with Artemis leading the American effort. Who achieves the first landing and what discoveries emerge remain enthralling questions. Keep watching our other video on To the Edge of Space, Virgin Galactic first ever tourist flight. And we will see you soon.